Our question is, on sale of 88 candies in rupees 165, there is a loss of 30%. How many candies should be sold for rupees 120 for the gain of 12%? Our options are option A 25, option B 15, option C 40, option D 35. We solve this question by 3 different methods so that you can understand the concept and shortcut tricks. Our first method is, let CP be 100. Then for 30% loss, the selling price is 70, and later on we have to make the profit of 12%. So it becomes 100 plus 12 is 112. These two amounts are in the ratio. If we cancel 70 by 14, then it comes out to be 5, and 112 by 14 we get 8. This amount is in the ratio 5:8. If the amount is in the ratio 5:8, then quantity is reciprocal of it, which is 8:5. Earlier we were selling quantity 8 and we were making loss of 30%. And if we have to make the profit of 12%, then for the same amount we have to sell quantity 5 instead of 8. Here 8 is equivalent to 88. Therefore 5 should be equivalent to 8 divides 88 for 11 times, and 11 times 5 is 55. So earlier we were selling 88 candies for rupees 165, and if we sell 55 candies in the same amount of rupees 165, then we are going to make the profit of 12% instead of loss of 30%. Now it's easy. We can easily calculate the quantity for rupees 120. In rupees 165 we have to sell 55 candies for profit of 12%. Therefore, in rupees 120 we have to find the quantity. This gives 55 multiplied by 120 divided by 165. 11 cancels 55 for 5 times and 165 for 15 times, and 15 cancels 120 for 8 times, and 8 times 5 is 40 candies. And from the given options, our answer is option C. This is the method by we can solve such type of questions. Now we solve the same question by method number 2. Let our cost price be 100. Earlier it was sold at a loss of 30%. It means that the selling price was 100 minus 30 is 70. And later we want the gain of 12%. Then the selling price should be 112. 100 plus 12 is 112. Now this 70% amount is equivalent to rupees 165, as we were selling 88 candies in rupees 165. Now if we want to have the profit of 12%, then we should find the amount for which we have to sell the 88 candies. So 112% should be equal to how much? 112% will be equal to rupees 264, which we can calculate like this. 165 upon 70 multiplied by 112. 112 is divided by 14 for 8 times and 70 for 5 times, and 5 divides 165 for 33 times, and 8 times 33 is 264. This way we can find the value of 112%. Now we erase our rough work. It means that we should sell 88 candies in rupees 264 instead of rupees 165. Now we can calculate the number of candies in rupees 120. In rupees 264, quantity of candies is 88. Therefore, in rupees 120, The quantity we can calculate is 88 multiplied by 120 divided by 264. 11 divides 264 for 24 times and 88 for 8 times, and 8 cancels 24 for 3 times, and 3 divides 120 for 40 times. So this is equal to 40 candies. And from the given options, our answer is option C. Now we solve this question by shortcut formula method. Our formula is N1 upon A1 into 100 plus R1 equal to N2 upon A2 into 100 plus R2. Here N1 is the number of articles sold in amount A1 and R1 is the profit at which it is sold. It may be loss also. R1 may be profit or loss. Similarly, R2 can be profit or loss. If it is profit, we will take it plus. If it is loss, we will take it as negative or minus. N2 is the number of articles in amount 2 and R2 is the profit we require for selling N2 items in amount A2. We put the values like this. Here N1 is 88 candies and A1 is rupees 165, the cost of 88 candies, and 100 minus or plus R1. R1 is 30% loss. So it is 100 minus 30 as it is loss equal to N2 is asked to us and amount is rupees 120. We want the quantity to be sold in rupees 120 for a profit of 12%. So R2 is 12. So we put 100 plus 12. Now this is easy. We have just to find the value of N2. Everything is given to us here. This is 88 multiplied by 100 minus 30 is 70 divided by 165 equal to N2 is asked to us. Amount given to us is 120 multiplied by 100 plus 12 is 112. We cancel 70 by 14. 14 cancels 70 for 5 times and 112 for 8 times. 8 cancels 120 for 15 times. 15 cancels 165 for 11 times and 11 cancels 88 for 8 times. This gives N2 equal to 8 times 5 is 40. Thus, we should sell 40 candies in rupees 120 for gain of 12%. And from the given options, our answer is option C. This way we can solve this question by various methods. You should solve this question by the method in which you are comfortable. I have given you all the 3 methods to solve this question. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.